Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May the 22nd, 2024, and we're getting a late start on our garden. We've had so much rain. We're starting to put our Brussels sprouts in. Our tomatoes went in earlier. We still have a few more to put in. So we grow the Catskills Brussels sprouts and we grow them from seed. The holes have been dug. Some composted horse manure has been put in. We're putting in some blood meal right now.
Sorry.
Michael's
Oh,
checking everything out.
Like, how much blood meal do you put in?
we just sprinkle a little bit of blood meal in. We don't really measure like that.
Quarter cup maybe. You know, whatever holes we have left there, we'll fill with cauliflower and broccoli.
Sorry.
I don't have any more of that.
Yeah, it don't look like the bag we had before, but anyway.
Oh, it does.
Put that at this bag. Put a thing on it so we know we didn't put in this one here.
This one here?
Yeah, put the bag here.
Right. So what actually happened here, I noticed there's multiple seedlings in a cell. What happened, these were planted and then they didn't come up the first time. I had a few like coming up, but not like they should have been. So the watering wand got set on fan, and when it did, it pushed my seeds down. So I didn't know that, and I went back through and I reseeded everything. I thought, well, I'll reseed it heavier this time. Well, when I did that, everything came up. So my seeds weren't bad, they got pushed down too deep, which can happen if you accidentally get your seeds down too deep. It can take them longer to germinate, or they won't come up because they got put down too far. So we're getting these planted in here. Mix this around here a little bit.
Now, is the ground still a little wet, or is that dry?
It is still wet and clumpy. We've been having a lot of rain. Yeah, you can see it's still wet. So I'm trying to kind of break this up some.
We had 5 inches 2 weeks ago.
Okay, we had 5 inches of rain 2 weeks ago.
And this stuff should have been in the ground over a month ago.
Well, we couldn't get it out.
Right. That's why we're planting it.
So typically what we do is we do one transplanting on our cold season stuff, but we ran out of room in the greenhouses and didn't quite work then for getting it transplanted. So we're working on getting this stuff in now. This is typically what one of these would have looked like.
Roots.
But being the mishap that happened, and they can be separated out and they'll still grow. It just went a little different. There you go. Get our water reservoir put around in here. This will hold the water in for us when it rains and when we water it. I can put it right down at the roots of our plants and doesn't just all run off. It comes down in through here and then it makes a nice little water reservoir. A little bit. So we still have our broccoli, our cabbage, and our cauliflower to put in. These are going to get watered then, So we're going to be coming back throughout the video and showing you different things. So we'll be back. So we forgot our Epsom salts and our planting holes, so we're just top dressing it around our Brussels sprouts there. Normally we put it in the planting holes, but we kind of forgot. Okay, so today is May the 25th, 2024, and it rained the day that we planted these, so we didn't get to show the watering part of it, and we put our fences up, so had to wait to come back out. The critter fence, the other critter fence, went up today to try and keep more stuff out. So this one here, it's double fence. We have the chain link fence up, and then we have another fence up to keep the varmints out. So as the crops continue to grow, we'll be coming back with more video updates. So please stay tuned to my channel. If you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. It'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!